Hi, I'm Amy Estes, BGC's Marketing Director, and this is my grandfather's Bulova wristwatch. It has a rectangular case and a heavy stainless steel band, and I believe it was manufactured sometime in the mid-70s. Joseph Bulova was a Czech immigrant to New York who started his company in 1875. By 1911, he was making pocket watches and clocks. With the growing popularity of men's wristwatches after World War I, he seized on that trend as well, and throughout the 20th century, Bulova was known for a number of innovations, including manufacturing the first full line of women's wristwatches, producing the first radio and TV commercials, developing the first fully electronic watch, and developing the first quartz watch. However, in the mid-70s, Bulova failed to recognize the growing popularity of the digital LED watch. And so, although this watch is battery-powered and it has a quartz movement, it also has an analog face, which makes it somewhat anachronist